I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
Good morning, it is July 5th, 2026. We are in the Many Glacier area of Glacier National Park, and today we're going to head over to Cracker Lake. Cracker Lake Trail should be about 13 miles out and back with about 16 or 1700 feet of elevation gain. A lot of the trails are still closed. There's some flooding and still some snow. The Grinnell Glacier Trail is still closed, and Iceberg and Ptarmigan is open up to the Ptarmigan Falls but closed from there. We were actually able to get into Iceberg Lake just a couple of weeks ago, but they've had significant rain. So we're gonna see if we can get over to Cracker Lake today in Glacier National Park. The Cracker Lake Trail starts at the Many Glacier Lodge in the parking lot and heads along Sherburne Lake over to Canyon Creek. The trail follows Canyon Creek up to Cracker Lake itself, which sits at the base of Mount Siyeh and Siyeh Glacier, which boasts 4,000-foot drop-offs from Mount Siyeh down to the lake. Cracker Lake sits just beneath 6,000 feet and is fed by Siyeh Glacier. It is surrounded by a cirque of mountains, outlined with the blue line on the map, towering over 9 and even 10,000 feet tall all the way down to the lake. Posted for bear frequenting, but it is open. Just like the beaches at Amity Island. Some recent bear tracks right there. Okay. Walk down over here, over there, and drop into Cracker. arriving at Cracker Lake. Cracker Lake has a tremendous amount of glacial flour, which is an ultra-fine silt-sized powder created when moving glacial ice grinds against the bedrock. When this pulverized sediment washes into streams and lakes, it causes the water to look either milky white or brilliantly turquoise blue, depending on the concentration and lighting. And we've seen both of those conditions at Cracker Lake. So usually when we come here, we try to get up here and have lunch. We'll see if it's the wind cooperates with us or not. You get the peace sign. So this is where we're having lunch today, over Cracker Lake. And when we head back, we got about 6.5, 7 miles back that way. So I gotta go vertical to get the peaks. This is where we're having lunch. We are heading back towards the Many Glacier parking lot. But we've got about 6.5, 7 miles-ish. Getting ready to say goodbye to Cracker Lake on the way down. we have made our way back below the tree line. A couple good things about that: a little less wind, nice breeze though, and a little bit of shade. But I think there's about 3 or 4 miles in the cover on the way out.
I'm Jason.
I'm Elizabeth.
We're from Southern California, but I work in the park, so that's what we're doing today.
Very cool. And we were out hiking and saw them today on the trail, and we
Yeah.
saw you guys on Iceberg Lake, what, a couple weeks ago?
Yeah,
Yeah, a few weeks ago.
Awesome. Well, thanks for stopping us and saying hello.
Yeah, we're big fans. We got to say hi to you guys. Nice meeting you guys. Yeah,
Awesome.
Perfect.
for sure.
Enjoy the
Made our
trails.
day.
Thank you.
Take care. Ooh. Getting closer to the lodge, here's Lake Sherburne. We are finishing up the Cracker Lake hike in Many Glacier, and our hike is going to end up being about 14 miles with 2,000 feet of elevation gain. It's like 5.9 or 6 to the foot of the lake. We go down towards the head of the lake and climb up on some rocks above it for lunch, but had a nice bluebird day at the lake. And at least as of now, July 5th, in Many Glacier, this is probably the best hike that's open in its entirety, because Iceberg is closed and Grinnell Glacier is closed as well. So, but we're out from Cracker Lake Trail in Glacier National Park.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a